Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale so you can unlock some exclusive rewards. If you ever seen those codes and wondered how to actually use them, don't worry. I'll walk you through step by step and it's super easy. So first, make sure you have a Supercell ID. If you don't have one yet, just go ahead and create inside Clash Royale. And once that's set up, close the game and open Google Chrome. Now, search for store.supercell and tap on the very first link that pops up. Log in here with your Supercell ID to make sure your account is connected. Next, scroll down until you see Clash Royale and tap on it. And from there, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option that says redeem a store code. So just type in your code, hit redeem, and you're done. That's it. Super quick, super simple. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Clash Royale tips and tricks, and I'll see you on the next one.